Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is order cancellation prediction app. So through this model, we will predict the chances of cancelling an order. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So here are some of the parameters. Is cardless, means the order was done through card or not. Stars, the rating for the hotel or something. Total booking price, normalized low rate, number of booked nights, number of reviews, has free cancellation or not. So let's give some input values. It has boolean value. Is cardless, no. 4 stars. Normalized total booking price will be 1,800. Has free cancellation? No. So we have entered some random values. These values are very random. So let's predict. So according to this value, it suggests that the product will not cancel the order. So it has successfully predicted what we wanted. If you want to get the source code for this project, you can click here on file section and then directly go to app.py. So this file contains the source code to create the web application for the model. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.